How to redeem PayPal gift card. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome, search paypal.com and log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on three lines at the top left. Then click on Wallet. After you've clicked on Wallet, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Link a card or bank at the top. After you've clicked on Link a card or bank, click on Link a debit or credit card. Then simply select Link a card manually, which is debit or credit card. After you have done that, you will need to add your card number. Add details of your card and press on Link card. After you have linked the card, gift card in this account will be redeemed in your PayPal account. This is how to redeem PayPal gift card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.